All right, here we go with lesson 5, number 5. And I'm just going to do S and R for my statements and reasons today. And you're going to write out all of S statements and reasons. And my first statement is that PA is perpendicular to AR. And I know that when lines are perpendicular, it means that they form right angles. So when I get to that point on my diagram, I'm going to mark right angles. Jot down my next given. PB is perpendicular to BR. And that's a B. And I have 3 givens. AR is congruent to BR. I'm going to be lazy, and I'm listing these all 3 together, and I'm writing given. All right, so let's see what I can mark off on my diagram based on those 3 givens. PA is perpendicular to AR, and so I'm looking for a right angle. If I'm looking at PA perpendicular to AR, I see there's a right angle right there. My next one, PB is perpendicular to BR. PB is perpendicular to BR. I see another right angle there. I'm going to work with those 2 givens together for statement number 4. And so all I'm doing in statement number 4 is I'm naming the right angles with 3 letters. Angle PAR and angle PBR are right. And I'm using perpendicular for that. So you can write definition of perpendicular for your reason for number 4. Number 5. Let's mark off our other congruence thing. Actually, yeah, let's mark it off. AR is congruent to BR. I'm going to mark that off on my diagram. AR is congruent to BR. And that was a given number 3. And so what I'm looking at here is 2 right triangles. And I know that I need 3 parts to get triangles congruent. And since they're right triangles, I see that I have a side congruent to a side. And we always know that we can use reflexive property since they share a common side. So I can use reflexive there. But when I look at this, I see that really what I have is angle side side. And angle side side, angle side side is a no-no, we can't do that. But normally when we see angle side side, we look to see if that angle is a right angle. And in this case, that angle is a right angle. So instead we use something called hypotenuse leg. And so what you should be doing here, and I'm going to let you fill in the rest, what we should be doing is we should be doing one statement with the reflexive property. And then our last statement should be triangle congruence, and our reason would be HL.